would love to see you. I am about to lead writers across America to write their books. I'm so excited, revved up. Went to spin class this morning, so my energy is like through the roof, and I'm bringing the expertise of writing and publishing almost 60 books here at Two Sisters Writing and Publishing, and when I was published by major New York publishers. So over the course of decades, all this experience, expertise, excitement, encouragement, enthusiasm is coming to you when I help you write your book. It's really, really exciting. I love teaching. I love when people come in confused and leave confident that, yes, I can do this. And oh my gosh, it's the best. So I just led an in-person writing retreat in Oregon a few weeks ago in October with my sister at Two Sisters Writing and Publishing at an inn. It was beautiful. And the following weekends, the authors were literally writing their books that had been stuck in their heads and hearts for so many years. So it's really exciting. If you're stuck, I would love to help you in one of my virtual retreats. Stay tuned for in-person retreats. And I also coach in private Zoom sessions and sometimes in person if you're local. So let me know. The link is in my bio, or DM me if you want to work with me as your writing coach, and I can help make the magic happen. I've got all these books, and this is only some of them that I will be referencing throughout the retreat today. It's on Zoom. People are joining from the comfort of their home. And as you can tell, I literally feel like I could run some marathons. This is one of my favorite topics, writing, and I want to help you write that book. So listen, most people's life story doesn't get written until they're dead, and someone else is writing their obituary under duress. Don't let that be you. Write your story. There's so many benefits. It's even if you don't publish it, write your story, and it's therapeutic. It is a journey of self-discovery. It is an exciting experience to reflect on your whole life until now. See what you've survived, see what you've triumphed over, see what you've achieved. You're still here. No matter what you've been through, you survived, you're still here. So it will boost your confidence. It will also enable you to quantify the remaining time, and nobody knows how much we get. So it will put some fire under your feet to help you go after those goals more aggressively, to make certain that by the end of your life, you have achieved what you want to do, your dreams. Another thing is, a hospice nurse recently told me that one of the biggest regrets that people express on their deathbed is that they didn't write their book. So another thing is, when you write your book, and oh my goodness, we did not publish this book, but I have Greg Harden's book on my desk. Greg Harden was, Tom Brady wrote the foreword. He was a University of Michigan athletic advisor, and he was very influential in my family, and he's helped. Desmond Howard spoke at his funeral recently at Chrysler Arena. I was there. And anyway, he's gone. He died sadly. However, his book is still here, touching lives, sitting on my desk as a reference for success. It's called Stay Sane in an Insane World, How to Control the Controllables and Thrive. So my point to you is that even when you're gone, your book can be here. And again, we did not publish this book, but I love this man so much. He really has been a tremendous gift in our family. So anyway, I got to get started on the retreat. Please join me. I would love to help you. Okay, bye.